Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted the power and convenience of TradingView right on your laptop, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to install the TradingView Desktop app on your Windows laptop, whether you're on Windows 10, 11, or even 7. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own TradingView app up and running, ready to help you chart, analyze, and trade smarter and faster without having to always use your browser. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser like Chrome or Edge and head over to the TradingView homepage. This is where it all starts. Now, once the homepage loads, you'll notice a top menu bar. Here, you'll want to look for the option called More. It might be tucked away on the top right side. Sometimes there's a little three-line menu if your window is a bit smaller. Now, don't click straight away, just hover your mouse cursor gently over More. When you do that, you should see a small drop-down menu appear. This is where a lot of their extra features and tools are tucked away, including the downloads. You're looking for the section called Downloads. Go ahead and hover over that as well. Some people rush here and miss this part, but taking your time ensures you get the right version for your device. Among the options that pop up, you'll see Desktop App. Click on that. This will take you directly to the download page for the TradingView Desktop application. It's important to choose the desktop version if you want the full standalone experience separate from your browser. The interface is virtually the same, but you get better performance and it frees you from accidental browser closures and tab overload. Plus, for many traders, that little bit of extra speed can make a big difference. Once you're on the desktop app page, you'll see download options for various operating systems. Since we're focusing on Windows today, Windows 7, 10, or 11, just click on the Windows download button. Depending on your connection, this may take a minute or two, especially if your internet isn't blazing fast. Don't worry if it seems to be taking a while. The file isn't huge, but just give it a moment to finish. After the download is done, you'll find the installer file, usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click that file to start the installation process. Windows may ask for permission or prompt a security confirmation. This is totally normal and just part of how Windows keeps your system safe. Simply click Yes or Run when asked. As the installer runs, it'll go through a few simple steps. Just follow the prompts. It usually handles everything automatically. Once installation is complete, the TradingView app should either launch itself or you'll see a new shortcut added to your desktop. Double-click the icon to open it up. Now, on first launch, the app may ask you to authenticate your account. This means you'll need to log in with your TradingView credentials, or sometimes you're given the option to sign in using your Gmail or another account for convenience. Select the login method you use for TradingView and sign in. Don't worry if you forget your password. There's always a forgot password link right there just in case. And that's it, the TradingView Desktop app is now installed and ready to use on your laptop. Now you've got all the powerful charting features and alerts TradingView offers, right at your fingertips, no browser required. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and give it a like. It really does support the channel. If you ran into any issues or have a question about any of the steps, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And for more tutorials like this one, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.